How my wife they deliver even for midnight. Sit time. They sit time. I be they sleep, will not hear everywhere they scent. Just wait. You see? See? Middle of the night. You see everywhere quiet. Even car not even they pass again at this time. To tell you say now danger time. That one where they pass, let's say they go where they're not supposed to go. Wait. See what this woman is doing. The only woman who not the tire for kitchen. My elegant wife, my popori peri people all those times when they say, hey, I for check where if I marry no verse.
You know,
say sometimes when you go eat, I'll come say why I talk that one. See what this woman is cooking at this midnight. I was sleeping. She said, honey, my dear husband, go and sleep. Let me prepare food for you.
Now you say you know fish only talk truth. You say I think you say come follow me, even if you don't do anything. You say you know
I not believe say you go do it now. Me, I don't tire because we're already in bed.
That's a man shock you now.
But see what she prepared. Oh my wife. When it was the other one?
Delicious okra soup.
2 soup at the same time.
I'll make two.
Okay, my wife, what award should I give you? What award should I give you?
I just say pray make God butter your bread for now. You never.
Okay, see, let me tell you. Eat turkey self. Turkey at the side. Turkey at the side. Only this night, I will take you to Jerusalem.
Huh? I don't want.
Now good thing I talk so.
I say I don't want.
You don't want Jerusalem? Okay, my wife don't. Well, forget about it. But only I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I appreciate your effort.
Thank you.
That's why we had a lot of hard work today. Still yet, she still deliver. Only wait, you won't fry all this turkey this night. You won't do everything this night.
We don't do that today. Go wait for me tomorrow.
Hell, my sweet wife, I go always happy for you.
Sweet wife, but you know so what you do not good.
What you be not good? That is your mate. They cook. You be waiting till they fry for night. See time. Which normal human be see? Everybody don't sleep. Which normal human be now? They are this time they cook.
They are already done with their work, so this is the time for me to do my. So that tomorrow at least I will do all that things.
Okay, now what can I do for you? I need my only a boy rice on me. I don't want you to. But I hear the scent.
But you say you don't want it this night.
Not me. Must you shut down everybody here? Just boil rice for me. Boil rice quietly, coldly. Mate warm the stew. Mate test her. The soup. Now soup I want to eat and the men of soup. Okay. Then this one, if you want fried turkey, cut on. Fry and dry. You know what I like dry. fried dry turkey.
You don't say that this I like before.
I'm not gonna like that one again.
You don't say that this I got the like. I don't contact the woman say remove it.
This is my favorite right now. As you don't already start good, just finish the good. Might just the praise you they go. So
boil this night.
Boil this night, no problem. I know now I'll deal with you. I'll sit down with you now. I know go again. Yeah. How my wife they deliver even for midnight. If you dey marry wife who they deliver, I'll see. Deliver. What did you join me for? Go now. Why you bring 2 spoons now? I need take it.
Why you doing my spoon?
You say I want to help you. I want to be helping you now. Don't they eat for night. You say man not they help you.
That's small. I want you to.
Oh, leave them for me now.
If you eat this one finish and you follow me stay here, man cook that turkey, abi?
It depends. Only why I promise you go do on hold first.
What you go happen?
Might eat first, not because I promise you now. You want to remind me.
If you not finish now, you leave.
Jackpot. Eat finish, that jackpot go room.
I did not leave me now. You're not good.
Your husband eat the same as now for kitchen. Go into the room straight up.
If you don't go.
Oh my promise, I promise you Jerusalem on. Not to cancel, you don't sleep. Eat and sleep.
Anyway, for me, I still get like 2 hours. Now makes to make chicken turkey. Let's say what is our husband? This a bit change, but say if you won't marry me, marry we say I not be the right woman.
No, don't mind what I for that time.
The man now you say I don't change the math. See, dear women, may God let you do what will make your husband to change his mouth and say you are the right woman. I think about it. You don't wake my son this middle of the night. And once of it don't finish, I'll enter his room. I said, I'm not doing anything. They younger for me. Baby, please come and join me. Now just sit down. Be watching your film while I cook. At least you will give me strength. I bet. I'm not saying me go cook this night. I know what they do for kitchen this night. You be which? Which I know. If I'm not doing it now, it will affect me tomorrow. You know, hinder some of my programs. So I have to do it.